The second night of Passover, Mom's getting the table prepared. Did a lot of cooking this morning. It's up about 5:30, 6 o'clock cooking. Making all the spinach and potato latkes. I was getting everything else ready for this evening's festivities. It's an idea what the table's going to look like. In a little while, I'll take a picture of the food that she's preparing. There's our Seder dish that Dennis and Miriam got us a few years back. I'll use that this evening also.
Nuts.
You're going to make the harashis later?
Hello?
The harashis. That's with the nuts, the apple,
I think it's now very, not later.
and the wine. Checking everything that we're doing. She's our overseer for today.
You want to bring up?
She's watching us. There she is on top.
She wants to. She's going to go down. I like standing on her highlights.
Pick it up higher, babe. Pick it up higher. Stay there, Elaine, and pick it up higher. Back up more, babe. Back up all the way up.
Ah, look at that.
Even if you back it all the way up, I can do it, I think.
Come here. Come here.
Now pull up in the air. Pull up in the air higher. Pull up higher.
Okay. Come on. That's enough.
Wunderbar.
Hi. Reading the one ad.